I'm glad I've taken the oath today on behalf of the older persons of Western Uganda. I think the older persons are very, very important in this country because we are the ones who have brought this country this far. So we should be enjoying the fruits of our labor. We should have our dignity done. We should have adequate health care, and we should be able to take care of ourselves. In other words, we should be able to generate income, be assisted to generate income so that in our late days we are rather comfortable.
Okay, now briefly on the president's pledge to fight corruption, but also to make sure that this stand is hakuna kulala, no sleeping, no corruption. What is it you're going to do to support him?
I'm one of the revolutionary members. I was a member of FRONASA, and therefore I'm ready to fight together with the president to fight corruption. There should be no corruption at all. And I'm ready not to sleep. Even if I'm an older person, I'm ready not to sleep to assist the president so that we achieve the tenfold economic growth that we intend to bring to the country.
Kache in Uganda, what is that you're bringing concerning the president's pledge? Mugenda kola kyo kuyamba mukulembeze.
Kati mukulembeze w'eggwanga nze nja mureyamba nga revolutionary wa FRONASA. Nange sijja kwebaka ne bwe nkubadde ndi representative w'abakadde sigenda kwebaka ate nja muyamba nnyo okulwanyisa ekintu kya corruption olw'okuba corruption eyitiridde ate corruption yetugaana okufuna social services, amalwaliro amalungi, amadagala mu malwaliro, obuweereza mu masomero ne social services zonna endala. Netegese okulwanyisa corruption ne president.
Ekibuzo kye natandise nakyo, ekifo ky'abakadde kigasa.
Ekifo ky'abakadde kigasa olw'okuba ffe abakadde ffe tulina wisdom nga tujja kuba tuwabula abaana abato abazze ba honorable members ba parliament abato tujja kuba tubawabula tutwalize wamu bulungi parliament tugitambuze bulungi.
Ono yakatelekeka.
Enazarima njagala kwebaza abo bonna abakadde abanteekamu obwesigwa ne bannonda ngenda kubeera voice yaabwe eddoboozi ly'abakadde mu parliament.
Honorable, excuse me. I was speaking my gadget.
Silwa ba assistants nganze lero nze MP n'olwekyo sirina bingi bya kwogera. MP alazewa andesebwa banange nze sirina kyakwogera leero naye ndi musanyufu nnyo okulaba nti palamenti kati erina amadoboozi getwesiga abamanyi kye bakola, abalina experience, abalina eggwanga omutima gwabwe. N'olwekyo kyekyo kika kyenjogera sirina birala.
In English.
Nakyerabira.
Gezaako.
Okay, but are you sure you are getting my voice?
Yes, we are.
I am, as you can see, I am extremely happy. Happy not because she is my wife, but because I know that Parliament has an effective voice for the next 5 years, not only for the older persons, but for all national issues. And I am happy because now I have a job. I will be acting as her consultant, as her assistant, and I will pull all the experiences we've had all this time. I'm sure there will be a difference in Parliament. Thank you very much. God bless you.